This is Sheesham wood, prized for its density, rich tone, and beautiful grain, the soul of every handcrafted dholak.
Only properly seasoned sheesham can produce the perfect resonance. Moisture levels are checked with precision.
Each log is cut into thick slabs, the first step in shaping the dholak's resonant wooden shells. Once cut, the block is ready for its transformation. Precision is key. Every millimeter impacts the final pitch. The wood is secured firmly, ready for the shaping process. The raw bark is stripped away, revealing the rich, dark grains beneath. Slowly, the rough block takes the form of a perfect cylinder. This cylinder will soon become the resonant body of the dholak. The iconic barrel shape is mapped out on the wood. The operator carefully carves the taper, defining the instrument's distinct curves. Smooth, continuous motion is essential for a balanced drum shell. Sheesham produces long, elegant ribbons of wood during the turning process. The waist of the drum is narrowed to create the specific resonance needed. Initial sanding removes the rough ridges left by the chisel. The external shell is now shaped, but it is still solid wood. Now, the real challenge begins: hollowing the core. A custom long-reach auger is required to bore the interior. Patience is key. Forcing the drill could crack the wood. Clearing the shavings is vital to prevent overheating. The walls are thinned evenly to optimize the drum's tonal chamber. The internal walls must be perfectly smooth to allow sound to travel. The chamber is complete. The shell now sings with a natural low pitch. Small imperfections are filled with a wood grain paste. Fine grit sanding achieves a glass-like finish. Every particle of dust must be removed before staining. A natural oil-based stain enhances the sheesham grain. The dark, rich colors of the sheesham come alive instantly.
The stain is cured under controlled heat for durability.
The transformation from raw log to finished shell is remarkable. Now, the hardware attachment points are marked with absolute precision. These holes must be perfectly aligned for even skin tension. Clean edges prevent the wood from splitting under pressure. High tensile steel hardware is selected for the assembly. The tension ring is the anchor for the drumhead. Each bolt is carefully threaded through the shell. Everything is tightened to create a secure, structural frame. The shell is now ready for its heart, the drumhead. The leather must be pliable to achieve the correct tension. The skin is laid out to check for thickness and consistency. Precision cutting is required to ensure a perfect fit on the rim. The skin is folded and stitched to form the head. Industrial stitching holds the tension under immense pressure. The damp skin is placed over the shell, ready for stretching. The counter hoop locks the skin edge into the groove. This creates the mechanical leverage needed for tuning. Initial tightening brings the skin into contact with the shell. Uniform tension is vital to prevent uneven skin stress. Watch as the skin firms up across the drumhead. The pitch begins to rise as the tension increases. The Shahi paste is applied to control overtones and add weight. This paste allows the drum to produce its distinct dha sound. The paste is dried until it becomes rock hard. The base side is assembled with the same care and precision. The larger side requires deeper, lower frequency tuning. Fine adjustments ensure the two heads, Wu heads, work in harmony.
A final wipe cleans away any assembly dust.
The finish glows under the factory lights. It is now a fully formed musical instrument. The tone is crisp, resonant, and professional. Precision tuning is the final mark of quality. We prepare it for the journey to the musician. The instrument is tucked away securely. Each unit is inspected one last time before sealing. Sealed and ready for transport. From raw timber to a professional stage instrument, the process is complete. Hours of work, a lifetime of rhythm.
The workshop settles, awaiting the next batch.
Quality speaks for itself. Every Sheesham drum is a unique piece of art. Safety and skill, the hallmarks of our craft. Where tradition meets modern manufacturing. It's all about the tension of the skin. Industrial strength for musical finesse. Shaping the resonant core. everything must align perfectly. Quantifying the sound quality. The final shine defines the premium finish. Ready for the world stage. Marked and certified. The satisfaction of a job well done. Our mark of authenticity. Shipping globally to musicians everywhere. The soul of the music starts here. Precision, artistry, tradition.
Thanks for joining us in the workshop.